How to customize your DOLA Pro with a plantar fascial groove. A plantar fascial groove is a midfoot customization placing a groove on the dorsal surface of the orthotic following the plantar fascia or other anatomical structure. In this video, we will show you how to complete a plantar fascial groove in clinic. A plantar fascial groove involves marking the position of anatomical structures on the orthotic device from your patient's foot. Step 1. Using a pen or lipstick, identify and mark the anatomical structure on the foot. Step 2. Have your patient stand on the orthotic to transpose the weight-bearing position of this anatomical structure. You now have your area marked as a guideline for grinding. The aim of grinding is to remove the orthotic shell material along your guideline to the depth required. Hold the orthotic shell proximal and distal to the grinding area and place the dorsal surface of the orthotic shell against the edge of the grinder. Flexing the orthotic will allow easier access to your grinding line and will protect you from grinding unwanted areas including the heel cup. Remove small sections of the orthotic at a time until you become comfortable and check your progress against your guideline. Continue to rotate the orthotic around to access the guideline from different angles as required. A mild grind will create a small groove, a more aggressive grind will create a deeper groove. A full sweep of the edge against the grinder will ensure a smooth and even finish. This grind can also be smoothed with sandpaper or a Dremel. Alternatively, a groove can be made with a handheld Dremel grinder or even a burr attachment on a clinical drill. A plantar fascial groove is used to accommodate the fascia or other structures on the dorsal surface of the orthotic and improve comfort, tolerance, and troubleshoot orthotic irritation. Fit customizations can be performed on the entire DOLA Pro range. If you don't have a grinder, the Pro Fit and Pro Light are popular low-profile options. For the latest open access education and training, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And be sure to download our advanced customization manual at dolaorthotics.com. To access more of our videos, please follow the links, and we look forward to supporting you in your clinical practice.